What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So today I got me a comparison between JBL Clip 3 versus JBL Clip 4. Yeah, so these two right here, it's a lot of people's favorite because like the name suggests, it has a little clip on there and it's pretty much took whatever the Go 3, the Go 2 and integrated into this form factor. So now you can actually clip it on your backpack and stuff like that. The sound quality, if you have used other JBL Bluetooth product, you know the sound quality is amazing already. So I have no complaint about that one. But today what we're going to do is we are going to compare these two because, you know, when I look at it, I'm like, what is the real difference here? They both have 10 hours of battery. So it sounds like they just took the same component, but just change out the differences in the design. That's it. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this, and then we're gonna do a little sound test, okay? So I did grab the red one. I usually grab black. I don't know why this time I grabbed the red one, to be honest with you. I just felt a little adventurous, I guess. So first up here, let's go ahead and look at the Clip 3. I feel like there's something in here. Yeah, there is something underneath here. Hidden. Micro USB, which, by the way, very familiar with this because the Go 2 has the same micro USB. Pretty solid clip right there. In the camera, it looks like it's orange, but really this is red, guys. Like in my eyes, it's like pink almost. Well, this is pink. This is like red. The JBL logo is like a dark red right there. You know, I'm not sure, honestly, why JBL did this whole like plastic back here. Yeah, I have no idea why they do that. That's on the JBL Go 3 as well. I was hoping that, you know, it'll be like some kind of magnet, you know, so you can just attach it to something, you know. I feel like it's a waste of space, in my opinion. All right. Charging port right here, I'm pretty sure. Yep. And also auxiliary as well. Yep. Covered with this really thick cover right here. I don't think water is going to get in there. By the way, they do advertise this as like you literally throw this into a pool and it will survive somehow. So just an FYI on that one, okay? Just like JBL, they integrated all the play button and stuff like that into the mesh right here. By the way, if this is your first experience with JBL, these things are a physical button right here. When you press on it, you can feel it. Can you guys hear that? It's physical buttons, all of these. I don't know how they do it. So this clip right here, yeah, definitely you can use this clip quite a bit before it'll go out on you. But the one thing I have to say though, if this clip goes out on you, pretty much now it's just a Bluetooth speaker because this is integrated right into the speaker itself. You can't really change it out. Okay, so next let's open up the Clip 4. Okay, so instead of just a plastic wrapping right here, they got some new way of adding the instruction manual. So it's like a little pack like this. And underneath here, same thing, hidden a USB-C cords. So that's, I would say that's the upgrade right there, guys. That's USB-C rather than the micro USB. I actually like USB-C a lot more because USB-C is a little bit more stable and it won't like wiggle as much as micro USB. I'm hoping that all companies transition out to USB-C soon because can't stand that. The Clip 4, you know, sizing wise, they're about the same. I mean, if you look at the hook right here, it's about the same height. Went from this to like this right here, which probably same stabilization, I guess. And I did notice this on the Go 3 when I was looking at it, that they do expose the charging port now instead of having, you know, the usual cover for it. So they must have upgraded their technology somehow to make sure that the water doesn't get all the way in. Same buttons and stuff like that in the front, same big old JBL logo, just like the Go 3. But obviously, if you look at the Clip 3 versus the Clip 4, the logo is a lot bigger now. Yeah, you're gonna notice that this is JBL, guys. Now, this is interesting right here. They've kind of hide the power button and the Bluetooth button right there. I guess they kind of hid it over here too. But yeah, it's kind of hidden back there. Okay, so with the clip, I think they've literally like re-engineered the clip. And I guess that's the name of the product, is clip. So they're focusing on that. But this right here is no longer like metal. Well, I guess it is metal on the inside, but on the outside is actually nice, smooth rubber. It feels really good. Versus this right here is literally just those clips that you buy at the grocery store. This right here is different though. You see how when you go like that, there's a little groove for it as well on the inside. So it's a nice just clamp, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so it won't damage anything that you try to clamp on. Interesting design, I have to say. They've definitely made a good design choice right there. This feels upgraded. And obviously, you look at this one right here, the clip is a lot bigger than this one right here. So depending on what you clip things on, I guess the Clip 4 would be a better choice because it has more room to clip onto things. Yeah, I can think of a few things that this will work. The Clip 4 will work over the Clip 3. All right, so I guess in our next segment, let's go ahead and test these out, see how they sound. So I'm going to turn this thing on full blast. And I'm going to lay it like this so my mic is right here. You can hear it. Ready? Here we go. Sound pretty good, sound pretty loud, but honestly though, if you're looking at the Go 3, I'm gonna have to do a little comparison and see how you guys feel. But I feel like the Go 3 sounds just like the clip right here. Okay, Go 4. Let me turn it on, turn that off. I want to turn on full blast as well. Same song, guys. Ready? Ooh. Already, this sounds louder than that. Okay, I'm just gonna start right there. For sure, the Clip 4 sounds louder than the Clip 3. Once again, same song, I turn it all the way up. I just feel that this thing puts out a lot more than the Clip 3. They both sound good, don't get me wrong. It's just Clip 4 just puts out a lot more sound. For sure, the internal is not the same as the Clip 3. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to do a little comparison between the Clip 3 versus the Clip 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the same song, but I'm going to be switching back and forth between Clip 3 and Clip 4. See if you guys can see which is better, okay? You ready? That's Clip 3. Clip 4. Over to 3. So, how was it? What do you guys think? You think Clip 4 is louder than Clip 3? I felt like Clip 4 is a bit louder than the Clip 3, so I don't know. You guys let me know, but yeah, that's how I feel about it. So there you go, guys. That's the comparison between the Clip 3 and the Clip 4. JBL did not sponsor this video at all, by the way. Maybe you guys can call them and tell them to, but I paid this with my own money just because I'm really happy with the way JBL is doing Bluetooth speakers. Yeah, so anyway, look out for other videos because I may do a comparison between the Clip 3 here versus the Go 3 because I have it in the house, so might as well do it, right? Anyway, that's it for me right there. I am out of here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.